Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Ramadan special chicken potato croquettes recipe. Tastes so good! Try once, you will love it. Oil 2 tablespoons. Onion 1/2 cup. Fry until light brown. Green chili 1 tablespoon. Fry few seconds. Shredded chicken 2 cup. Salt to taste. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Dry herbs 1 tablespoon. Stir and fry 1 minute. All-purpose flour 3 tablespoons. Fry 2 minutes. Milk 1/2 cup. Cook until thickened. Done. Potato 1.5 cup, boiled and mashed. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoons. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Butter 1 tablespoon. Egg yolk 2. Cheddar cheese 1 cup. Mix very well. Add cooked chicken. Mix. Done. Spread the oil over the hand. Time to make croquettes. Make a nice shape. Done. Egg whites. Beat until combined. Breadcrumbs. Deep with egg whites. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Can be frozen up to the month. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.